I'm back. It's TitanicFeetJack back with another video for y'all today. And of course, we got some heat on deck. But before we get into today's video, I'd like to send a shout out to all the subscribers. I'd like to thank you guys for subbing to the channel. All the day one guys, shout out to you and the new subscribers as well. Your subscription to this channel is very appreciative. Keep hitting that like button because that helps YouTube promote my videos to get more people to see the video and bring in other family members, so we can check out these hot kicks we got on deck. Getting into today's shoe, y'all see the box. We got that silver box with some metallic on it. Nike Retro 1 box. Let's go ahead and read the label. Air Jordan 1 High OG CO.JP. Color neutral gray metallic silver. US size 11, price $170. See the box. It's your Retro 1 box. It's just a different color. Okay guys, let's get into today's shoe. We're gonna pop the top on the box. You see your lot number, your stamp inside the box top. You see your paper. We have silver Jordan Jumpmans on the paper, and the year 2020 is printed on here. And here we go. The Jordan 1 Tokyos. Look at these bad boys right here. Get a good look at these. These are nice. I'm going to grab the other sneaker out of the box and we're going to get into today's review. Okay, guys, we have the Jordan 1 Retro Tokyos here. Going to get into the sneaker. You can see the upper of this sneaker. We got the neutral going on right here. And this material, it is a soft leather, almost nubuck like. We have that going around the upper ankle part of the sneaker, and as well as your color blocking panel and your laces, eyelids, and going around the mud guard. You have a metallic silver Nike swoosh, heel, toe box, and going around your ankle. We have the Air Jordan Flight logo branding up here, and it's the bubble one. It's not stitched on or the other patch like we had on the Pine Green 2.0s. I think they had this bubble on the Fearless, the all patent leather ones, the red, white, and Carolina blue. I think they had this on this pair of retro ones. Moving on to your midsole, you got a white midsole, and you have that neutral colorway at the very bottom of the midsole, which leads to the outsole. Take a look at that outsole. You have that neutral gray outsole, standard Retro 1 outsole. So if you're familiar with Jordan Retro 1s, you already know what this sneaker is. You're just going over it for the people that's not familiar with Jordan Retro 1s. Going to the back of the sneaker, you have that metallic silver heel, and it's going around the ankle as well. And to top it off, you have that neutral soft leather or nubuck material up here on the top. Inside the sneaker, you have on your upper of it, you have more of that soft leather or nubuck. It's nice and smooth like Gary Coleman. But you have that going on right here. You have that silver, metallic silver Nike swoosh on the inside. You got your white midsole again with that neutral gray at the very bottom. Let's go ahead and look. Toe box. Let's check out the toe box leather quality. On the scale of 1 to 10, this toe box leather quality, I give it about a 7.5 with this toe box leather quality. It's pretty decent, but I have felt better. That's in the metallic silver colorway. Comes with one pair of laces, your neutral gray laces. You have a tongue that is neutral gray and it's nice and soft and buttery. It's almost softer than the leather in the toe box. and it's that light neutral gray. And the Nike Air is actually stitched on the tongue itself. It's not the sewed on patch that we've come accustomed to with your Nike Retro ones. Let's go ahead and turn it around. Inside you have that patch sewed on. The Jordan Jumpman 2001 is when they originally came out with these. And 2020, of course, is this year that they retro this sneaker. We're gonna go ahead and take out the shoe tree. Let's get the laces out of the way. Look at your cardboard shoe tree. Standard shoe tree. Say it's size 11-11 and a half. Gonna go ahead and sit this here and take a look at your insert. We have the Jordan Jumpman logo. Get you a better look at that. The Jordan Jumpman logo. You got the CO.JP, and you got your sticker that says the sizing. But the insert is gray, and you have the Jumpman CO.JP in white lettering. Let's see if we can get a good look at that size and tag. Say size 11. Production date March 4th of this year to April 29th of this year. So about a month and a half production as well. Sounds very familiar. I think these are almost the same exact dates as the sad snakeskin ones. So they produced both of these around the same times, almost to the exact date. Well, we're going to put these back on the table. We're going to give you a closer look at this sneaker, a detailed 360 look. And we're going to come back and close out the video. Below, let me know what you think of the sneaker. I was not able to get this pair in my size. How did the release go in your city, guys? Because I entered the raffle for Hibbett Sports / City Gear on July 31st. And with that app, it lets you know 2 days prior to release date if you won the rights to purchase the shoe. So when I went to check that out, there was no better luck next time or you won. It just was displaying that the shoe released on this date at a certain time. So I was like, what happened to the raffle? It showed that I entered but gave no results. But to make a long story short, these were first come, first served. They were pulled from the raffle for whatever reason. I'm assuming that they didn't get their pairs in time. So they pulled them for the raffle, and it was only 4 City Gears in my area that had these, and they were all scattered out, maybe 75 miles or so between the City Gears here and there that had these. But shout out to my homie that made this happen for me. Ooh, shout out to the homie that made this happen for me, because I was stuck at work and I couldn't get out in time to get these, but the homie came through for me. So I appreciate your homie as always. But these were first come, first serve, and This is a pretty nice shoe. So I'm gonna be looking to get my pair in my size. I'm gonna see if what I can do. I'm gonna look in the sneaker community locally first. Try to buy local and see if anybody has that size 14 and see if I can trade, because I have this pair and I also have a couple grade school pair. I mean, this week it's been a lot because they had these came out. You had the satin snake skins came out the day before. They had a restock on the smoke gray ones, and they had another restock on the University Gold 12. And I'm looking now, I got about like 10 pair of sneakers sitting here that I bought just this week. So I gotta go through all that, and I'm gonna be posting that as well. I'm gonna be selling those sneakers. Again, leave a comment. Let me know, were you able to get this shoe? How was the release in your city? Always smash that like button. That helps YouTube promote my video to other YouTube watchers. It'd be greatly appreciated. I want to thank you again for spending your time with me watching this video. TitanicFeetJack signing out.